What's up everyone, my name is Abdul Jabbar and today we are going to unbox Apple's AirPod Pro Max. This thing comes with a whopping price of $549. Yes, $549. Let's open this baby up and see what's inside. To open it, we will go ahead and use this plastic remover strap. Go ahead, we remove the plastic. We're going to put this on the side, and inside the box, ta-da! You have this beautiful AirPod Pro Max. You have, what else do we have? We have some paperwork from Apple. Paperwork that I believe nobody is going to read. Put that on a side, and then finally you have the USB-C to Lightning charging cable. That's about it in the box. Let's put this on a side. And let's open this case up and see what is inside these. So you basically just open this up. Wow, the build on this thing is just next generation. It's beautiful, feels good, feels premium. And the case itself is made of this nice leather. We are going to get to the case in a minute. These cups are built with metal. The button itself feels really good, premium quality. The crown is next generation. It's beautiful. It can be used to increase or decrease volume as well as change tracks. The mesh ear cups are really nice. They are replaceable and can be replaced really easily. Worth to mention that these ear cups can be replaced at a cost of $69. This thing has 9 built-in microphones. Yes, you heard me right. It has 9 built-in microphones. 8 of these microphones create white noise to counter the noise outside. It's just amazing. It has 25 hours of battery life. It is 348 grams. The case that we are going to get into is another 135 grams. For me, this will be replacement of my Bose N700 wireless headphones. These headphones really feel premium. They really have a good feeling here. The mesh cups, basically the head area, everything looks really nice. I must mention a couple things related to these. They are heavier than your average headphones, like any Bose or any other headphones, Sony's. They are more expensive than your average headphones. And if those two things are not reason enough for you not to buy this, I would recommend that you try a pair. The sound quality is amazing on these headphones. They are heavier. They are a bit heavier than the previous headphones that I had, the Bose N700s. A couple other things I noticed about these. The wireless connection to your phone is really great, and it is very easy to pair with your iPhones. The noise cancellation is really good. The quality of the sound is really good. The connectivity specifically is very good. I went around corners and I had no problem with the connectivity. Now let's take a moment and talk about the case for these AirPods. The case is something that gives you that feeling of awe and ease at the same time. They are something that you basically love and hate at the same time. Your AirPods, even if you're not using them outside the case, will lose the battery just as if you are using them, unless they are in this case. Why? I just cannot wrap my head around that. And then the case is just the case. I don't know what to say about this. Frankly, I'm not impressed with the case. So this is like on the other side of the horizon for me, and the AirPods itself are on the positive side. Except that I really like the AirPods. I will be using them extensively for my video editing and day-to-day commute and whatnot. Oh yeah, reminder, these things are not water resistant. So do not use them in rain or if you take your headphones to the gym. These things are not water resistant. These things are not sweat resistant. Other than that, I think I will be using them on my daily basis. And at some point in future, I will come with a review with my experience. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with someone who could benefit from it as well. And if you are not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and bell icon. And I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.